guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have some winter shades from Double Dip to show you guys today. So I'm pretty much just gonna jump right into it since there's only like a few colors, so I'm gonna show you guys these really quick. But yeah, the cool thing about Double Dip's dip powders is that they can be used as acrylic as well. So if you're somebody who likes doing dip powder nails, these would be good for you. And if you're an acrylic lover like me, these would also work for you as well. And they literally have like so many colors to choose from on their website. Literally everything from neons to pastels, nudes, glitter shades, like literally everything. And they also do have like themed holiday kits. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know that I recently reviewed their Halloween kit. So yeah, these are the three colors. The first color I received, it looks like a deep green shade, almost like an olive color. And this one is called St. Nicolas. And they have such cute names for their dip powders or acrylics as well. The next shade looks like a really nice gold glittery shade. And this one is called Be Fierce, if my camera would focus. And then the last shade is a deep red shade. And I'm gonna be doing some swatches of these. I do not have any more like small swatch sticks, so I'm gonna be swatching them as acrylic. But yeah, this shade is called Dear Santa. I don't remember if I said that already. But yeah, I ran out of swatch sticks, so I'm gonna be swatching them just as acrylic, and I'm gonna be using them as acrylic today in the video because it's a lot faster. I'm probably gonna do like a set on my practice hand just because I don't wanna be like up all night doing my nails because I just did them the other day. So yeah, a lot of you have been asking me lately how long it takes me to do my nails, and girl, it literally takes me all night. I'm literally up until like 7 in the morning doing my nails like a crazy lady. So yeah, it definitely does take me a long time to do these videos. But yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy them. Oh, and another thing that Double Dip is doing is a little scratch off game. So when you place an order, you will receive a little scratch off card and you'll win like a little prize. And depending on the price of the purchase depends on what type of gift you'll receive. And if you do receive a gift, to claim it, you would just enter the little code that you scratch off in your shopping cart. And it says to claim items, just add the items to your cart and apply the code to checkout. There may be a small shipping fee. You can add multiple items to your cart, but the code will only cover for the scratch off prize. So yeah, this is a really cool little thing that they do, kind of like a little incentive when you make a purchase on their website. So yeah, this is actually the last game of the year, and it's going to last until November 20th if you purchase on their website. And I do have a discount code. Don't forget, you guys can use my discount code if you do shop with Double Dip. It is Stay Polished 91 for 20% off. And sorry if you guys can hear that loud truck outside. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching these. And don't mind this gnat in my video. It's literally driving me insane. Ugh, I hate that thing. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and swatch these. I already removed the seals off of these, but they do come sealed, just so you guys know. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch these as acrylic. All right, so the first shade that I'm swatching is called St. Nicolas. And this is that dark olive shade. I probably could have picked up a bigger bead than that. Hold on a minute. This acrylic brush is kind of small. Yeah, there we go. You can see the color a lot better now. And then the next shade is that darker red shade called Dear Santa. And the thing that I love about these powders is that whether you use them as dip powder or acrylic, they're like super pigmented either way. And then I'm just gonna swatch this last shade, which is called Be Fierce. That's that really pretty glittery gold shade. And that is really gorgeous. There's like some little medium-sized glitters and fine glitters in there. And I do see like a little bit of holographic gold. These colors are definitely really like festive. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys like a close-up. As you could see, they're all super pigmented. You guys should definitely check out Double Dip. Like I said, they have like so many options on their website to choose from. Alright, so moving on to the tutorial, I did decide to go ahead and do like a winter inspired set, even though it came out looking like really Christmassy. But like I figured I would just go ahead and do like kind of like a Christmas / winter inspired set, and Double Dip wanted me to create a set like that anyway. Plus I really don't know what else you would do with colors like this. I mean, red and gold, it's gonna come out looking like Christmassy anyway. So yeah, I am using the Dear Santa color, which is that deep red, and then I'm using the gold shade, which is Be Fierce. And I'm kind of just randomly placing the red and the gold on the nail. And then I'm going in with this glitter mix from J Banger 79 called I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa. It's a really cute glitter mix. It has like a bunch of like iridescent glitters in it and some like little white glitters to make it look like snow and stuff like that. There's also some white snowflakes and like little kisses in there or whatever. So yeah, I'm applying that like over the red and the gold shade to kind of like mute the gold, because it's like really gold, like in your face type of gold. So yeah, I'm doing that, and I'm also using some like white snowflakes that I have that are slightly bigger, and I'm also using some little red holographic snowflakes just to give it like a different look. I felt like it needed some red snowflakes in there, and I thought it looked really pretty like that. So yeah, I'm not really sure if this glitter mix is still available. I actually bought this glitter mix last year, and a lot of times she like only makes them for a certain amount of time. I didn't actually get a chance to use this mix last year because I ran out of time, but I thought it would be like perfect for this set because of the colors. So yeah, I did find that when you work with the colors a little bit wetter, like they go on the nail like easier. Like if you're trying to do, I don't know what you would call it, kind of like a marble-ish design, but not really. But it just helps if you work with the colors like wetter. So it just makes them like nice and thin. You don't want to make this layer too thick, because these type of nails have to be encapsulated because of like all the glitter. So now I'm going to go ahead and start encapsulating the nails. I'm using a clear that I already have from Double Dip, and you could really use like any monomer with their acrylics, by the way. I didn't really mention that, but I'm sure they'll work just fine. I normally use Mia Secret and it works like perfectly fine. I've also used MODELONES monomer with this powder and it worked fine as well. So yeah, I really think like any monomer will be fine. Like, you don't have to like really stress about what type of monomer you're using, in case you guys were wondering. And by the way, I know this video is not really focused on nail prep because I'm just doing like a design on my practice hand. But before you even go in with your acrylics, if you're doing this on yourself, you would obviously want to push back your cuticles, rough up the surface of your natural nail, and like remove the cuticle from your nail plate. And then you also want to go in with a dehydrator and primer, and then you might want to go in with a layer of clear over your natural nail bed to prevent staining from these acrylics. But yeah, this is a fake hand, so I don't really like show all that. I do apply a dehydrator and primer to my practice hand, but I don't really show that part, just to like speed up the video so we're like not here all day. But yeah, to encapsulate these nails, it took a little bit more than my usual 3 beads. something about these like big snowflakes, no matter how much acrylic I was putting on them, I felt like they kept like poking out. So I had to like keep adding in little beads here and there. And sometimes it's like that with like really glittery nails like this and stuff. You just have to add like a little bit more acrylic. But generally I start like with my first bead by the free edge. My second one is like at the smile line, and my third bead is a cuticle bead. And I kind of like just add in acrylic where I feel I need it, like if like some of the glitter is popping out or something like that, or if the nail looks too thin, I just go ahead and like add the acrylic in there like that. And I am working with my acrylic like slightly wetter, just so that it gives me enough time to like get all of that glitter covered up and everything, because it's like super thick. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and file up the nails. I'm using a 180 sanding band and my MAKARTT drill, and I'm just using this bit to kind of like go over the nail and smooth it out. I didn't really apply the product too thick on my practice hand, so I didn't have like loads of filing to do or anything. So I'm just like kind of going around the cuticle, and I'm mainly like tapering in the sides because this is a stiletto shape, so it really helps when you taper in those sides, so that when you go in with your hand file, you're not like sitting there forever like hand filing, trying to get that like nice sharp stiletto shape. I don't know about you guys, but I like my stilettos to be like pretty sharp. I didn't make them too sharp on this practice hand because it is like a Christmassy design, but usually I do like them like super sharp. I don't know, I just love the way it looks. I think it looks like really nice and crisp. But still, I was tapering them in with my drill so that I didn't have to like file as much, because the sides of the nails can tend to get bulky when you like apply acrylic, especially on stiletto nails. And you also want to like go underneath the nail to get like out any acrylic, because you can tend to get that stuck under there sometimes. After I'm done filing up the nails with the drill, I just go in with a 100-180 grit nail file, and I basically just use this to like further shape up the nails. So to get the stiletto shape, all you have to do is hold your file at an angle and basically just file in and keep filing in that tip until you're like satisfied with how sharp it is. Some people like theirs sharp, others don't. So you would just keep filing until like you're satisfied with like the amount of sharpness. As you can see, I didn't make these like super sharp to where they're like really pointy, because I wasn't going for that type of vibe for this set. But yeah, if you wanted them more pointy, you would obviously just keep filing in that tip a lot until they get super sharp. I'm also going over the surface of the nail to smooth it out even more with my hand file. I do that with the 180 side, and I am taking my drill a little bit and just further debulking the nails because they were looking a little bit wide, and I don't really like my stilettos to look that wide. And after that, I'm just gonna like buff over them to get like out any scratches before I go to like top coat them, because you will see that in your end result. So yeah, here's where I'm going in and just buffing over the surface of the nail. And now I'm just gonna take this top coat from Double Dip and I'm gonna top coat all of the nails. I'm gonna be placing some little red rhinestones into the like top coat. If you wanted to do this on yourself, you would want to use something with a stronger hold, but yeah, this is a fake hand, so we're not worried about that. But yeah, I'm just applying the stones randomly on the nail just to give it little like red rhinestone accents. And I don't know, I just feel like the bling really like tied this set together. It made everything else pop a lot more. If you were doing this on yourself, one thing you could do if you didn't want to like apply stones or anything, well, I mean, even if you did apply stones and then the top coat, you can apply a layer of activator to the nail first, and then wait for it to dry and then go in with the top coat, and that will let the top coat dry faster. I will also link the dipping liquid set from Double Dip down below if you're like into dip powder and stuff, because they do have a separate little like kit with the brush saver, the activator, the top coat, and the base coat I mean. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the description box for the discount codes and everything. But yeah, that's really it for this set. That's all I really do. It was super simple and easy. I think they turned out really beautiful and they definitely remind me of Christmas. Let me know what you guys think of this set in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next one.